Hello skaters! Today we will be working on a combination set on a serpentine pattern. It includes backward crossovers, forward outside 3 turns, a mohawk, and a power pull with a change of edge. We'll break it down into parts first, then put everything together, practicing in both directions. This exercise will help you build power, improve ice coverage, and develop stronger extension. We will start with backward crossovers using a cross in front and cross behind step. This part can be confusing for skaters when they are first learning. So let's break it down and look at it in slow motion. Begin with your left foot on a backward outside edge and push with the right foot into a backward outside half swivel. From there, step into a crossover by crossing your right foot in front and sliding your left foot under on the outside edge. On the next crossover, after pushing with the right foot, bring the right foot behind and cross under, stepping onto a right backward inside edge while extending your left foot in front. The exercise continues by alternating one regular backward crossover with the cross in front and the next with the cross behind. Throughout the exercise, keep your upper body twisted into the circle, your head turned in the direction of the movement, and your arms stretched along the circle. Pay close attention to your knees and ankles during the crossovers, and extend your free leg with a straight knee and pointed toe. Be sure to practice this exercise in both directions. If you are a beginner skater making the first steps on the ice, or an advanced skater looking to refresh your basics and strengthen your edges, make sure to check out my video course Figure Skating Foundations on my website styleskating.com. This course includes 100 videos starting from your very first steps on the ice and progressing to advanced skating skills, single jumps, and basic spins. Each lesson comes with step-by-step instructions, demonstrations of common mistakes, and exercises to help you correct them. Click on the link above or look in the description below for more information and join our fast-growing skating community today. Our next exercise is the forward outside 3 turn into backward crossover, which is part of our serpentine combination. Start on the left forward outside edge. After completing the forward outside 3 turn, step into a right backward outside to left backward inside crossover. Return to the axis, then begin the next half circle on the right foot. Focus on working through your knees and ankles while extending your free leg. For your arms, you can simply hold them out to the sides. For added coordination and control, try moving one arm through first position into third position and then opening it back out into the second position. Repeat this arm movement with each 3 turn. Now we are going to practice a forward change of edge from outside to inside while gliding. Start on the left forward outside edge on the axis, curving into a half circle. Then smoothly change to a left forward inside edge, keeping your free leg in front with the knee straight and toe pointed. From there, step onto a right forward inside edge as you return to the axis. Next, step onto a left forward outside edge with a cross roll. And begin the sequence again on the right foot. Right forward outside edge, then forward inside edge on the next circle. Continue alternating sides, switching your legs each time with the cross roll. Work on bending your skating knee and ankle as you curve through the half circle. As you approach the axis and change the edge, slightly straighten your skating leg, then bend again as you continue. Remember to hold your upper body twisted outside of the circle on the forward outside edge and into the circle on the forward inside edge. If you are enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. You can also consider joining my YouTube membership, where you will be able to contact me directly with your skating questions and even request a personalized video on the element of your choice. Check the link above or the description below for more information and join today. Our next exercise will be the forward and side 4-step Mohawk, which can be practiced with or without arm movements. We'll start with a right forward and side edge into a left backward and side Mohawk, followed by a push into a right backward outside edge. Then a step into a left forward outside edge to transition and begin the sequence again. If you are practicing without arms, hold your arms straight out to the sides. If you are adding arm movements, start with your arms going down into preparation position on the first step, forward into first position on the second step, up into third position on the third step, and open out into second position on the last step. Make sure to practice this exercise in both directions, focusing on the bend of the skating knee and ankle and the full extension of the free leg with each step. Now let's put together the whole sequence with the 3 turns, crossovers, change of edge, and the 3-step Mohawk at the end. Start on the left forward outside edge. After the 3-turn, push onto the right backward outside edge and cross over onto the left backward inside edge. Begin the next crossover on the right backward outside edge. Bring your left leg behind, step into a cross behind, and glide on the left backward inside edge. Repeat the first crossover, this time with the cross in front. That completes your first circle. On the axis, step into a right forward outside 3-turn, execute 2 backward crossovers, left backward outside to right backward inside, crossing in front. Back on the axis, begin the third circle with a change of edge from left forward outside to left forward inside, extending the free leg in front. After that, step into a right forward inside to left backward inside Mohawk, then push into a landing position, gliding with extension on the right backward outside edge, completing the third circle. Now repeat the sequence in the opposite direction. Start with a right forward outside 3-turn, followed by a regular crossover, left backward outside to right backward inside. Then step onto the left backward outside edge, bringing your right leg behind. Step into a cross behind on the right backward inside edge, and repeat the regular crossover again. Step into a left forward outside 3-turn, then 2 backward crossovers, right backward outside to left backward inside. At the end of the second circle, step into a change of edge from right forward outside to right forward inside, and finish the pattern with a left forward inside to right backward inside 3-step Mohawk, gliding into a left backward outside landing position with extension. These kinds of exercises are my favorite for helping skaters improve their flow across the ice, create bigger patterns, and develop extension and power while learning new transitions. Have fun practicing, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.